Have you ever felt a stirring inside, a quiet whisper that there's more to life than what you're currently experiencing? A call to step out of your comfort zone and embark on a new adventure? If so, you're not alone. This is the beginning of the hero's journey, a path of transformation that awaits each one of us. Welcome to this exploration of the hero's journey, navigating your personal transformation. The hero's journey is more than a mythic formula used in storytelling, it's a universal blueprint for personal growth discovered by mythologist Joseph Campbell. It's a map that guides us through the trials and tribulations of change, helping us to emerge stronger and more authentic. In the beginning, we find ourselves in the ordinary world, where life feels familiar and safe, but perhaps a bit unfulfilling. Maybe you sense that something's missing or there's an ache for something more meaningful. Then comes the call to adventure. This could be an opportunity, a challenge, or a sudden change, anything that disrupts your normal life and invites you to step into the unknown. It might be as dramatic as a career shift or as subtle as a growing desire to explore a new passion. But stepping into uncharted territory is daunting, and it's natural to feel fear or doubt. This is the refusal of the call. Questions flood your mind. Am I ready? What if I fail? Is this the right path? These reservations can hold us back, keeping us anchored in the familiar. Just when the journey seems too intimidating, a mentor appears. This guide offers wisdom, encouragement, and the tools you need to move forward. It could be a trusted friend, a book that speaks to your soul, or an inner voice that grows stronger. With renewed courage, you take the leap and cross the threshold into a new world of possibilities. This is the point of no return, the moment you commit to the journey ahead, embracing the uncertainty and excitement it brings. As you navigate this new landscape, you encounter tests that challenge your resolve, allies who support your quest, and enemies, both external and internal, that seek to hinder your progress. Each experience teaches you more about your strengths and vulnerabilities. Journeying deeper, you approach the inmost cave, the core of the challenge where your greatest fears reside. It's a place of introspection where you prepare for the significant ordeal ahead. This stage requires patience, reflection, and the willingness to confront uncomfortable truths. The ordeal is the pivotal moment of crisis where you must summon all your courage and skills. It's a test of your character and commitment. Whether it's overcoming self-doubt, facing a personal fear, or battling adversity, this is where transformation begins. Having conquered the ordeal, you receive the reward. This isn't always a physical prize. Often, it's newfound wisdom, confidence, or a clearer sense of purpose. It's the realization of inner strength and the affirmation that change is possible. With the reward in hand, you begin the road back to your ordinary world. But the journey isn't over. You may face challenges reconciling your new insights with your old life. It's a time to integrate what you've learned and to prepare for reintegration. The resurrection is a final test, an opportunity to apply your transformation fully. It's a rebirth, a shedding of the old self and an embrace of the new. This stage solidifies your growth and prepares you to return as a changed person. Finally, you return with the elixir, the essence of your journey's wisdom, to share with your community. Your experiences not only enrich your own life, but also have the power to inspire and uplift others. You've become a catalyst for positive change. The hero's journey is a cycle we're all invited to embark upon, not just once but many times throughout our lives. Each call to adventure is an opportunity to grow, to overcome, and to become more authentically ourselves. So, where are you on your hero's journey? Are you hearing the call to adventure? Facing the fears that hold you back? Seeking mentors and allies? Embracing transformation? Remember, the road may be challenging, but every step you take is a testament to your courage and resilience. Embrace your journey. Trust in your path. You are the hero of your own story, and the world awaits the gifts only you can bring. If this exploration resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into personal transformation and spiritual growth. I invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What calls to adventure have you experienced? How have you navigated your own hero's journey? What insights have you gained along the way? Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and remember, the adventure is just beginning.